Stampers and Crafters. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I want to show you how to use the gift bag punch board to make a small gift bag. With this device you can make a gift bag anywhere from 4 inches tall to 10 inches tall with 2 inch bottom. I wanted to make the small gift bag, which means I need to start out with a 10-inch piece of paper. Well, I wanted to use the Cherry on Top Designer Series paper stack. This paper is only 6 by 6 inches. So I had to come up with a way to make a bag using that paper. So I want to show you how to do that. I'm going to take the score tool here and start out making my gift bag. I just used some neutral paper so you can kind of see the score lines. I'll show you the finished product at the end. So I have 2 pieces of paper here and I cut them down to 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. And then for the top of my bag I ran it through the Stampin' Trimmer using the small scallop rotary cutter, so I have a little ruffled edge here on the top. So let's start with the first piece of paper. I'm going to line it up right here at the start line. Okay, and then I'm going to, because I'm making the small bag, not this medium or large, I'm going to score here and then score along the horizontal line and then punch. And it's better when you punch if you punch toward the back, or the top I guess it would be, so punch up here. Okay, then I'm going to move it over, and here is my score line, and I'm lining it up with the start line again, and now I'm doing the side of the bag, so I'm going to score at the side, the triangle, and then this line here, and then the horizontal, and then I'm going to punch again. Okay, and then I'm going to move it over, same line here, line it up, make sure that's lined up here, punch. Okay, no scoring now, but I do have this other piece of paper. This is going to be the other part of my bag. And what I'm doing is I'm lining that up with that paper. You can see my score lines right here. I want the edge of that paper to come just on this side of the score line. Okay, so just line those two up. Punch again. Okay, and then this will be the front of my bag. So I'm going to score here and the horizontal. Move that paper out of the way. I don't need it anymore. And then I'm going to move that score line over. Okay, and now I'm doing the side again. So I'm going to do the side, triangle, and the horizontal, and punch again. Okay, and then move it over, final line, punch, and there I have my 2 pieces for my bag. Get those out of the way. Okay, so I don't need this little piece here, so I'm going to trim that off on both pieces, and just kind of trim at the top. Okay, so I have those out of the way. Now we'll construct my bag. So I'm just going to use fast fuse. I would suggest you use red sticky strip, but actually StampinUp discontinued red sticky strip, but they have the tear and tape adhesive that you can use. But just for speed, we're going to use fast fuse. Okay, and this piece, again, line it right up on the edge of that score line. Top. You don't want it to overlap, because then when you do all your folds, it will. It's not got any fuse on there. Oh, that's why. Let's try that again. My fast fuse does not want to cooperate today. Okay, so let's get that line back up. Okay, there we go. So now this is like I had a 10-inch piece of paper, but I got to use the Cherry on Top paper stack. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use the score tool and score all my lines. I always forget to do the bottom ones, it seems like. So let's get those done. Okay. Now let me show you one more thing that this punch board does, is that it'll put these holes in here for your ribbon. So this is the back side of the board, and line it up 5 times across. I will make 5 punches. But that gives you your holes for your ribbon. And there you have that, so you can run your ribbon through it. Okay, and we're going to finish assembling our little gift bag here. Fold this over, and then fold this over, and everything should, if all your score lines are right, everything should come together just right. Okay. Again, use sticky strip or the tear and tape adhesive to do your final bag. Fold that over. Okay, and then just do those creases right there. Okay, real quick bag. Okay, and then here's the finish. Here's a couple that I did. Again, using the cherry on top bag, and I'm sorry, cherry on top designer series paper stack. And then this right here is the new ribbon. I really want to call it lace because it's so pretty. It's the cucumber crush, one of the new colors. And all I did on it was I put sticky strip along the top inside, and then just gathered it up just to kind of give it a little dress up there. Okay, so thanks for tuning in today, and I hope I helped you.